don't know what this thing is doing, man. I don't know what it's doing. I got some screwdrivers. Put in the back of this thing here. These gonna keep it. And I'm gonna tilt it up against those screwdrivers like this. Or I might be able to do it the other way because this is how you figure stuff out, guys. Now, tilt it up. And as I tilt it up, the liquid will go down this end, and from this end, I'll put this unit. You know, the last time I had this unit, the box end was open out. This time I'm gonna have the box end open in. I need a GoPro. That's what I need. I got my new microphones. Wonder how they work. See, that's supposed to be like that, but I don't know about that. No, I think I'm gonna keep it open out. Let's see. Let me put this here. We're gonna see how well the microphone works at a distance. Because that's the reason why I got it. I wanted to set my microphone somewhere. That's while I go and get my phone. Yeah. Now. There's my rig. There it is. The rig. Now this is what I'm going to be testing today. I'm going to put a sock around that. Actually, I'm going to put this inside of a bottle. I was going to put it inside of this bottle here. Like that. Because I don't want to get it dirty. Not dirty, but I don't want that any of that stuff to go through there. Those are dirty particles. So then I'm going to poke holes into that bottom there, and I'll put the sock around it and clamp it down. Then I'm going to put this. How do I do this? I need a GoPro, guys. I'll take this, put this in the muck here, and hope no, I'm not gonna put that there. I'm gonna put this in the muck down here. Put this in the muck down there. And then I'm not ready to do it yet. I'll probably be doing it on camera. It's gonna pump up through, go around and around, and then I might have, no, ain't no might about it. There's gonna be another tube that goes in here that's going to be siphoned off and down to there as the fluid is going in here, and I'm doing whatever I need to do. The fluid is going to be siphoned down there through a regular tube, if I can find one. I might get a chance to use that one or something on that one, because I don't want to buy anything else, guys. I'm telling you. So I'm cleaning up. As you can see, it's starting to clean up. This is very loose, even though it looks like it's not loose. But I left this stuff in the muck for a long time. You see that? So all it needs to be is just scraped up some more and cleaned up for you to buy this 3-speed Saginaw transmission. Y'all take it easy, and talk to y'all later. Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Life seems so much simpler when you're fixing things. Project. I don't know what you would call this thing. What's it called? I don't know. Alright, y'all take it easy. I'll talk to y'all later. Well, I've already tried it. I just want to show you how it works. I haven't put the draining tube in yet. Alright. So the drain tube is going to take the fluid from out of there down to there. I hope. I hope. Okay guys, y'all take it easy and I'll talk to y'all later. It works, guys. Look. It works. Don't ask me what that loud bubbling noise is outside. Some neighbor or something. But it's working. Got that variable on there. And the fluid goes into here. Then from there it goes out there into there. Now I need to make some type of filter as it goes through that tube, but to keep the trash out of the tube. I'll figure that out some other time. But I've already tested it on this little part here, and it works. As you can see, it works. And I can turn it up if I wanted to. Turn it up, but I'm not going to turn it up. I don't need to go no further than that, because I could go a little further, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Main thing is that I got some fluid flowing. I can scrub that, get that going. And yeah, you can have one too. Look at that. It's crazy. It's working.
Fashion making hip-hop uniform, then Run DMC dropped by Adidas, wearing them laceless. And suddenly these weren't shoes. They were identity. They were food.
Just wanted to show y'all that I was doing this. On how I did. I've already did this side over here. You can see that. That side I've already done. This side. That's all I wanted to show you. That I am cleaning this off with my little tube that I have. Ready to go. Painstaking, but when you got one, she said, why don't you get a... She said, why don't you get a drill? I don't know. I think the drill is going to splatter everywhere. Really good. Just like it goes slow with it. Trust me, I thought about it. But I just want to let you know I'm doing this for you. So that you can do it yourself, or maybe you're trying to clean up things. And also for the person that's buying it. Because I'm trying to sell it. Sitting around the house years. So, I'm a classic. I like classics. I like old cars. I was going on to sell it. So I was throwing everything away. You just might get it before I throw it away.
I got a little filter thing over there. I don't know, it's sort of satisfying. But I want to show you what I did to clean up that transition. Today is December 4th. My day is night on either. Just want to show you. Clean up something for you. I'm planning on going inside this transition. I might open it up, but close it. See what those gears look like. I saw one guy who tried to take off the rear housing. Seemed like it was difficult.
My skin was brown. Hummingbirds sang from tree to tree. 90 miles from the nearest town. Andrew loved me. Exotic flowers all around. The sense stillness in the air. Sight, sound and feel played with our senses. I started slowly how swiftly it spread. We passed a picnic, drove to the beach. Closed their eyes by chance. We used to tell. A good love was within our reach as we lay in the water, baptizing body and mind.
Once you got
We
money,
rented
you
a
don't
glass
have
bottom
to
boat. We got lava ocean. We had all that yellow sweat. I loved that sweat and never would anymore.
got a couple other things that I'm trying to clean up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. And, talk to you guys another time. You guys take it easy. Look, I didn't play that video, it just paid me on
What
5
kind
cents.
of a match is it that can't ignite a fire?
Turn the video off. Show you guys, see how that cleaned up? I got really good. I got a smaller brush that I get around the edges. Okay, talk to you guys later.
The only thing distracting you from me was me distracting you. I didn't mean to kiss you first. It was something I had to do. As my thoughts walk into that small cafe, I knew it would make a good song. Cheap cognac tastes so good in the islands. With a line like that, how could I go wrong? You made me fall. You give my all.
Ken coming at you from
2 days
Ken.com.
flat.
Life
Waves
seems
just
so
kept
much simpler
coming.
when you're
Did
fixing
you have anything to do with that?
Well,
I can't
I'm done
believe
with
it
this
is
Bellhousing.
What can you do to restart the fire?
The Bellhousing
There was
is
always
done.
desire. There was always that heat. If I had said it's the same, then I'd be the liar.
Have a quick inspection of that, big boy. So that you can see there are no cracks in the Bellhousing. Very dirty at first. Cleaned it up. Guess I could clean it up some more, but I'm not. I'm tired of it. Dirty mess. See, no cracks. getting ready
Well,
to get
now
to work
you're gone.
on the transmissions. I'm not going to take that case off. I was going to take it off. I found out how difficult it was to take it off. I'm like, no way. I'm going to get started on cleaning up this. Next, you know, price goes up. This is the last cleaning. I think I might start with the back first. Or I might start, I don't know, I have no idea how I'm going to do that. But thank you guys for coming in. Oh, let me show you the inside. Look at that. Clean. Well, you know, it ain't lickable clean, but it's clean enough to so you can see there's no cracks in it. There are no cracks in it. This, in case you don't know, this is for a Pontiac, Oldsmobile, or Buick. I know it fit a 350. I had it on there. Small block. I don't know if it'll fit the big block or not, but you can see I'm not gonna sell this by itself. Let somebody ask me, give me a decent price. If they give me a decent price to sell this by itself, I just might throw that in for free. No, but anyway, this whole thing comes together as a unit. And I'm not gonna put it on right now. I'm just gonna show it to you in comparison to the
Hummingbirds sang from tree to tree.
how clean it is,
And you loved me.
how clean it was.
Exotic flowers all around.
It would be nice if I could put that on there. Hold on a minute.
Sight, sound, and feel played with our
I don't know if I have it upside down or right side up or bottom side up.
We packed a picnic.
But there it is again, cleaned up this time though. And the whole thing ain't clean, but just that Bellhousing. Of course, I go up on the price every time I clean up something. Going up on the price because it costs me money. It costs me time and money. Either way, it's for you. That's cleaned up really good. Really nice. That cleaned up really nice. Cleaned up good. Now, I just want to show you this transmission here that I'm trying to clean up for you. And heck, I am going to get started on the tail housing.
What kind of a match is
You know,
it?
I sure wish that I could take that
Ignite
off
a
and clean
fire.
it. It would be so much easier to clean it by itself. But that won't be possible. Alright guys, y'all take it easy and talk to y'all later.
The only thing
What is it,
distracting
December
you was me
9th?
distracting you. I
2025.
didn't mean to kiss you first.